put my foot in the stirrup, and I'm gonna stand right up here. Look how my back's straight. I'm not folded over the saddle, okay? The next thing, I have that inside rein. If he explodes right now and starts bucking, I'm gonna pull him around, disengage his hindquarter, and step right back to him. The next thing is I wanna activate that other eye with my hand before I swing my leg over. The reason being is a lot of times the horse is like, okay, okay, and they accept you over here. And like a master of the dark arts, like some kind of wizard, you go through their blind spot and you teleport a foot over here. So they're accepting you over here, and now a foot pops out of thin air over here, and it's enough to make them go, ah! And when they do that and they hunch up, they didn't do much, but since your foot was in the air and you're off balance, well, now you're hanging on to them like a spider monkey.